Heartbreak from a toxic relationship feels like a storm that's come and gone, but left you standing in the wreckage, trying to piece yourself back together. It's not just about the pain of losing someone. It's about losing yourself in the process of loving someone who couldn't love you in a way that kept you whole. Here's the truth. You can always find your way back to being a happy you again. And you don't need money, a therapist, or a perfect plan to begin. You just need small, loving steps and a little belief that you will feel better in time. Let's walk through 10 free, healing steps to help you recover from heartbreak after a toxic relationship. I'm right here with you. I've been in the very same place you are today. Sit down somewhere quiet. Write a letter to the person who hurt you, or to the version of yourself that loved them. Say everything you've been holding in, the confusion, the pain, even the hope you once had. But when you finish, don't send it. Burn it. Rip it. Delete it. Let it go. You're not writing for them. You're writing to release yourself. It's proven that writing your feelings down helps release the emotions. Unfollow them. Mute their stories. Remove their number. It's not immature. It's protective. Social media is like an open wound when you're healing. Even just seeing their name can trigger a setback. Give yourself space to breathe without reminders of someone who really hurt you. Toxic relationships often hijack your time and energy. Now, it's your turn to reclaim both. You don't need a morning routine that goes viral. Just start with 3 anchors. Wake up and make your bed. Get sunlight on your face. Move your body gently, even for 5 minutes. Small routines create emotional safety. That's what your nervous system needs right now. Certain songs, smells, or even places might bring up memories. Don't run from them. Recognize them. Say, this feeling is real, but it's from the past. The past is the past. It holds no meaning to me anymore. Write your triggers down. You might even create a safety plan for what to do when one hits, like stepping outside and taking a walk, calling a friend, or journaling. Just do something else. Those triggers will soon become a distant memory. One day, they'll lose their grip on you. They will lose their power. It's tempting to contact them again. A text, a call, a scroll through their profile just one more time. But every time you re-engage, you rip the wound open and prevent healing. Write this down. I will not reach out, even when I miss them. Put it somewhere visible. You're not resisting them. You're protecting you. Toxic love isolates us. Maybe you pulled away from friends or family. Now's the time to reach out, even just to say, hey, I've missed you. Let someone you feel safe with be with you in this part of the healing journey. If you don't feel ready to talk, just go for a walk with them. Mention you're not really ready to talk and listen more than you speak. Let their calm remind you of what real, safe connection feels like. The antidote to toxic love is healthy love. You may have given and given in the toxic relationship, hoping to feel the love you deserve. But that need, the one that made you chase their love, comes from you, not them. It's now time to parent yourself. Talk to your inner child. Say, I am safe now. I don't have to earn love anymore. The only person I need to love right now is myself. Toxic love disconnects us from our own bodies. Maybe you feel tight in your chest, numb in your arms, or disconnected from touch. Gently come home to yourself. Stretch. Put your hand over your heart and breathe with it. Touch your shoulders like you're holding yourself. When the pain fades, you may ask, how did I not see it? Why was I so stupid? You're not stupid. You're not weak. You were hopeful. You love deeply. That's not a flaw. Lessons learned. It's time to move on. Want to know how to protect yourself in the future? I wrote a book about healing from toxic relationships. It helped me heal and move on. It can help you too. You can find the link to that book below in the description. Some days you'll feel free. Other days you'll miss them so much it hurts to breathe. This is normal. Healing takes time. Let yourself cry. Let yourself rest. Let yourself feel everything. You are not broken. You are in progress. Getting over heartbreak from a toxic relationship is not about forgetting. After all the noise, all the pain, and all the confusion, forgetting isn't possible right now. But it will be eventually. Remember that you're not crazy. You're not dramatic. You're healing from emotional trauma. And that takes strength most people will never understand. But I see you. And I want you to know. You're doing better than you think, and you don't have to go it alone. If you're struggling to get through the day right now, contact me for personal help. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more self-growth and relationship tips. This is a new channel, so I would really appreciate your support. Until the next time, take great care of yourself and stay strong.